52. A number can be split up into its prime factors. For example, 20 is made up of 2 times 2 times 5, where 2 and 5 are both prime numbers. This can also be written as 2 to the power of 2 times 5, where 2 is to the power of 2. 2 to a certain power and an additional prime number produce the number 96. What power of 2 is required to produce 96? To show 96 as a product of its primes, we take 96 and we start by saying half of 96 would be 48. 48 multiplied by 2 makes 96. 2 is prime, but 48 is not. So we continue. We can say 24 multiplied by 2. Again, 2 is prime, but 24 is not. So once again, we say 12 multiplied by 2. 2 is prime, but 12 is not. Now we can say 6 multiplied by 2. Again, 2 is prime, but 6 is not. Then we can say 6 is 3 multiplied by 2. 3 is prime, and so is 2. So, the power of 2 which is required to produce 96 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that means the right answer here was option B.